Welcome to my video. If you're new, make sure you like, share and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you Gap Factory latest discount deals, 12-month updated promotion discount that will help you to save money. First of all, if you check out my YouTube video description first link and click this special discount continue button, it will take you to the Gap Factory official website. Immediately you will get the big spring sale, 60% off. You can see for men, for women, for girls, for boys, also extra 55% off clearance, extra 10% off coupon which will help you to save money. You can see 60% off. If you scroll down, you can check out all the quality full product for men, for women, for boys, for girls that you can buy from the Gap Factory website. Down to the website last option, sign up here with your email or phone number to get 20% off discount with confidence. Let's say the next month is Black Friday or Cyber Monday or Father's Day. Clicking the continue button, deals discount you will get. Click the 60% off or check out the category base link. If you click, they will show you right now all of this product you can buy up to 60% off. You can see 40% off which will help you. For boys, if you click on here, you can check out the deals. You can easily check out all of this quality full product discount price. Now if you need coupon like this, deals like this and cashback like this, 3 special opportunity for a website, check out my YouTube video description second link. Create a free account on top cashback. Search here with any website name keyword to get cashback, to get deals, to get coupon for any website you want. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, save money, feel happy, buy the best product with the discount price. Enjoy the 60% off. See you again into the next video.